Hello, my name is Widya Nalim, and today we will be talking about ambidextrous leadership. The paper that I will be discussing today is titled Ambidextrous Leadership and Employee Voice Behavior, the Role of Work Motivation, and Ambidextrous Culture. This paper is written by Ouyang, Chenhui and Chu, Yongyue and Ma, and Qi Xiang at 2022, and it is published at Psychology, Research, and Behavior Management Journal. Leadership is at the heart of every successful organization. But what makes a leader truly effective in today's fast-paced and complex work environment? One critical concept is ambidextrous leadership, the ability of a leader to balance stability with innovation. This leadership style has a profound impact on how employees engage with their work, particularly when it comes to speaking up and sharing their ideas, a behavior known as employee voice. Today, we are diving deep into study that explores how ambidextrous leadership influences employee voice behavior, with a special focus on the role of work motivation. Coming to the first segment, we'll be talking about the understanding of ambidextrous leadership. So, what is ambidextrous leadership? Ambidextrous leadership style is characterized by the ability to balance two opposing yet complementary activities. The first one is exploitation, the second one is exploration. Exploitation involves optimizing and refining existing processes to ensure efficiency and stability. This is crucial for maintaining consistency in operations and achieving short-term goals. On the other hand, exploration is about innovation, seeking out new opportunities, experimenting with new ideas, and taking calculated risks. This forward-looking approach is essential for long-term growth and adaptability. Ambidextrous leaders are those who can seamlessly switch between these two modes, knowing when to push for innovation and when to reinforce stability. This balance is not easy to achieve, but it is essential in environments where both operational efficiency and innovations are critical to success. Moving on to the next section, we'll be talking about the origins and importance of ambidextrous leadership. The concept of ambidextrous leadership has its roots in earlier leadership theories that emphasized either stability or change, but rarely both. On one side, traditional leadership models often focused on maintaining order and control, while more modern theories began to emphasize the need for innovation and adaptability in a rapidly changing world. Ambidextrous leadership emerged as a response to the realization that effective leadership in complex environments requires a balance of both approaches. Research has shown that organizations led by ambidextrous leaders tend to perform better over time. They are more resilient in the face of challenges, more innovative in developing new products or services, and better at maintaining high levels of operational efficiency. Leadership style is particularly relevant in industries undergoing rapid technological change, where the ability to innovate while keeping the core operations running smoothly is crucial for survival. And then we'll be talking about characteristics of ambidextrous leaders. So, what makes a leader ambidextrous? Ambidextrous leaders possess several key characteristics. First, they have a high level of cognitive flexibility, allowing them to understand and integrate multiple perspectives. They are comfortable with ambiguity and can make decisions even when information is incomplete or conflicting. Second, these leaders are adept in managing paradoxes. They don't see stability and change as mutually exclusive, but rather as complementary forces that need to be balanced. They can set clear goals for both short-term efficiency and long-term innovation, and communicate these goals effectively to their teams. And finally, ambidextrous leaders are skilled at fostering a culture that supports both exploitation and exploration. They encourage their team to innovate while also holding them accountable for maintaining high standards of performance. This dual focus creates an environment where employees feel both supported and challenged, which is critical for driving engagement and productivity. On the second segment, we'll be talking about employee voice behavior. What is employee voice behavior? The author said that employee voice behavior refers to the actions employees take to express their ideas, concerns, suggestions, or opinions about work-related issues. This behavior is crucial for continuous improvement within organization. When employees feel empowered to speak up, they contribute to identification of the problems, development of new ideas, and the overall enhancement of workplace practices. However, employee voice behavior is not always encouraged in all organizations. Some environments may inadvertently stifle this behavior through rigid hierarchies, fear of reprisal, or a culture that discourages dissent. Ambidextrous leadership, with its dual focus on stability and innovation, has the potential to create an environment where employee voice behavior is not only accepted, but also actively encouraged. Why is employee voice important? Employee voice is a key driver of innovation and organizational agility. When employees are encouraged to speak up, they can provide insights that may not be visible to those in leadership positions. For example, frontline employees often have a clear understanding of operational challenges and consumer needs. By voicing their concerns or suggestions, they can contribute to the development of more effective solutions. Moreover, employee voice behavior is linked to higher levels of engagement and job satisfaction. When employees feel that their opinions are valued and that they can make a difference, they are more likely to be motivated, committed, and productive. This behavior also fosters a culture of continuous learning and improvement, where the organization is constantly evolving and adapting to new challenges. And then we'll be talking about barriers to employee voice behavior. Despite its importance, several barriers can prevent employees from speaking up. fear of retaliation is significant factor. Employees may worry that voicing concerns could lead to negative consequences, such as being labeled as troublemakers or even losing their jobs. A hierarchical culture where decisions are made top-down without input from the lower levels can also stifle employee voice. Another barrier is a lack of trust in leadership. If employees feel that their leaders are not genuinely interested in their input or that their suggestions will be ignored, they are less likely to speak up. Finally, some employees may lack the confidence to express their ideas, especially in environments where dissent is discouraged. In the segment 3, we'll be talking about the role of work motivation. The first thing to understand is what is the work motivation? So, based on this paper, work motivation is the driving force that influences an individual's behavior and performance at work. It can be broadly categorized into two types. The first one, intrinsic motivation, and then the second one, extrinsic motivation. Intrinsic motivation comes from within the individual. It's driven by personal satisfaction, a sense of achievement, or a passion for the work itself. Extrinsically motivated employees, on the other hand, are driven by external rewards such as pay, promotions, or recognitions. The study we're discussing highlights the significant role that intrinsic motivation plays in fostering employee voice behavior. When employees are highly motivated, they are more likely to speak up, share their ideas, and contribute to the organization's success. Why? This is because they are personally invested in their work and see their contributions as meaningful. How about linking motivation to employee voice and ambidextrous leadership? The connection between work motivation and employee voice is particularly strong under ambidextrous leadership. Ambidextrous leaders, by balancing stability within innovation, create an environment where intrinsically motivated employees can thrive. These employees are more likely to engage in voice behavior because they feel that their contributions are valued and that they have the support of their leaders. Interestingly, the study also found that while intrinsic motivation enhances the positive impact of ambidextrous leadership on employee voice, extrinsic motivation does not have the same effect. This suggests that organizations looking to encourage employee voice should focus on fostering intrinsic motivation by providing opportunities for personal growth, meaningful work, and a supportive environment. So, how can leaders enhance intrinsic motivation within their teams? One effective strategy is to provide opportunities for professional development and personal growth. When employees feel that they are learning and growing in their roles, they are more likely to be intrinsically motivated. Another approach is to align work with employees' personal values and passions. Leaders can do this by giving employees more autonomy in their roles, allowing them to take ownership of projects that resonate with them. recognizing and celebrating achievements, not just for meeting targets, but for innovation and creativity, can also boost intrinsic motivation. Finally, creating a positive and inclusive workspace culture where employees feel respected and valued is essential. This involves not only listening to employee feedback, but also acting on it, showing that their voices genuinely matter. The next segment is talking about key findings and practical implications. The research findings are clear. Ambidextrous leadership positively influences employee voice behavior, especially when employees are intrinsically motivated. This suggests that organizations should not only focus on developing ambidextrous leaders, but also on creating a work environment that enhances intrinsic motivation. This dual approach can lead to higher levels of employee engagement, innovation, and overall organizational performance. The practical implications for leaders and organizations. For organizational leaders, these findings have several practical implications. The first one, it is essential to cultivate ambidextrous leadership within the organization. Leaders should be trained to balance the demands of operational efficiency with the need for innovation. This balance is crucial for fostering an environment where employees feel empowered to speak up and share their ideas. Second, organizations should focus on enhancing intrinsic motivation among the employees. This can be achieved through professional development opportunities, meaningful work assignments, and also a supportive culture that values employee input. By aligning leadership practices with the intrinsic motivations of employees, organizations can create a more engaged and innovative workforce. The last segment will be talking about the conclusion and future research opportunities. In conclusion, this study sheds light on the critical role that ambidextrous leadership plays in fostering an environment where employees feel encouraged to voice their ideas and concerns. This research clearly shows that when leaders successfully balance the need for stability with the push for innovation, they create a workplace culture that not only welcomes but actively promotes employee voice behavior. However, the effectiveness of this leadership style is significantly enhanced when employees are intrinsically motivated. This finding underscores the importance of organizations focusing on internal motivators like personal growth, meaningful work, and a supportive work environment. By cultivating both ambidextrous leadership and intrinsic motivation, organizations can achieve higher levels of engagement, innovation, and overall performance. The implications for future research. While this study provides valuable insights, it also opens the door for future research. Future studies could explore how ambidextrous leadership and employee voice behavior interact in different cultural contexts or industries. Additionally, research could investigate how digital transformation and remote working environment impact these dynamics. Moreover, the role of extrinsic motivation, though found to be less influential in this study, could be further examined to understand under what conditions it might still play a significant role in encouraging employee voice behavior. By continuing to explore these areas, we can deepen our understanding of how to design organizations that are not only efficient and innovative, but also resilient and adaptive in the face of change. The balance between stability and innovation is crucial, and so is understanding what motivates employees to engage with their work fully. These insights are not just theoretical, they have real world applications that can transform the way organizations operate. Successful leadership is not just about directing the team, it's about creating an environment where every voice is heard and valued. By embracing ambidextrous leadership and fostering intrinsic motivation, one can lead the organization to greater heights. That's all for the summary of this paper. Thank you very much. Bye bye.